Just to show I've not just got a one-track mind here. Why don't you look at this? This tree has grown with so much stuff in the middle of it. It ain't funny, man. A whole house. The sucker grew up over a whole house. Look at all them cinder blocks down there. Way up under there. There's a wild looking tree. It's raised up off the ground because it's over top of something. Anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. Something to show y'all. All them damn cinder blocks rolled into that tree. And a rubber inner tube. Okay. God bless y'all. Have a good, blessed evening. I'm planning on getting me some likes and some comments today, so don't get embarrassed when you see the ladies showing off their pretty butts. Love y'all. God bless. Yogi, taking care of Mama Bear on this piece of shit 409. And it's Amir Homes Livable Solutions. And the man he wants us to pay $600 electricity on this house. We ain't had electricity. Wants us to pay $600 rent. We ain't had electricity in a daggum month, people. Ain't had electricity in a month. I love the house. It ain't hardly got no step to go into it and everything. Looks like I might have a court battle with a mirror.